Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast episode 2272, VLOOKUP text numbers. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Now, here's a problem that I've covered in the podcast before, but I learned a great new way. We're trying to do a VLOOKUP here, looking up 4399 into this table, and it's not working, right? The formula is correct. Everything looks great, but it's not finding a match. And it's not finding a match for any of these. And the problem, as you can see, is this green triangle over here. This 4399 is stored as text, and that is not seen as a match for this 4399, which is stored as numbers. Now, in the past, on the podcast, I've suggested converting this column of text numbers to real numbers. Choose the whole column, Alt-D-E-F. Bam, they're all numbers. The VLOOKUP starts to work. But what if you have to leave this as text? All right, I think I've suggested using value of A2, but I was doing a seminar in Orlando, and Lynn had a much shorter way to go. Just take that A2 and plus 0, or I guess you could do times 1. And it starts to work again. That plus 0 is taking that text number and converting it back to a real number and allowing the VLOOKUP to work. I want to thank Lynn for that great idea. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.